Hi, you're welcome to Kami Designs. Let's make creativity super easy for you. Back to my channel. So this is Kami Designs. So before we start our tutorial for today, I would like you to like, comment, and share, and wait for more juices. So we are sorry that we have not been giving you updates, but today we want to give you update. So now there are two changes that occurred in WhatsApp, and that's what we want to talk about today. So first of all, if you go to your WhatsApp, so you go to update. So I'll go to status. You get. So first of all, WhatsApp now allows you to edit your status. So once you post something on status, you can be able to edit it. So let's go dive into the first thing WhatsApp has made available for us. That is a new feature. So what I'll go to do now is to go to my gallery. So I'm in my gallery now. So let's say I want to post this picture. I want to put it shall write. Say I am beautifully and wonderfully made by, let's say I forgot to write God. Maybe I did not put the sentence well, then I post it. So once I post it on my status, let's wait. So if you open it now, you see that there is a pen icon here. So this pen icon will allow you to edit your status. Do you get? So if I click on this pen icon now, I can be able to write by God. Okay, then I will now post it. Do you get? So if you post it, you can only be able to edit the text on your WhatsApp status. Only be able to edit the text on my WhatsApp status for the first 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes is gone, this icon will disappear. So after 15 minutes is gone, I can't be able to edit my WhatsApp this status again, the text. So that's it. So let's move over to the second one. New feature now that WhatsApp status made is that you can be able to post six of your picture at once in a layout. Let's say you went out to maybe Sunday service, or you went for outing to your friends, posting one picture, like posting the pictures like once, one. It will make your status to be long and it can get boring. So what you can do is you can post to one, let's say one picture of the event. You can post like six different layers and also post like one. So WhatsApp has already made it possible for you to post six pictures once. So let's know how to do it. So if you click on picture icon, so then you see layout. So you click on layout and it WhatsApp will take you down to, you have to choose six pictures. Okay, let me use this mystery hospital. I'll click on one, two, three, four, five. I'll click on good icon. So are you seeing it? It has formed five layers. Do you get? So I can make it like this. If you make it like this, is three layouts. If you make it four, it's four layouts. If you make it what I have for six layouts. So it depends on the number of pictures that you want to post on your status. So if it's anyone, are you seeing the different layouts it has? It will have two layouts. You can even, are you seeing? You can even touch the picture to shift it down. Yeah, you seeing it to how you want it to look. So I love this feature you get. So I think you can move this picture, can move, then see this one, can still move the picture to show. So this is a good feature. So tell me in the comment section if you're going to try out these two features that WhatsApp just added. So it's very beautiful. So you can click on done. So if you click on done, it comes out like this. You can put a caption, let's say beautiful pictures. So are you seeing it? So you click on send. So it will automatically add to your status. Let's wait for it. So are you seeing it? Made with layout. You can even edit it. Are you seeing you can edit the caption here? You get, so that's it. So if this is what you are going to try out, can you let us know? If this is what you're going to try out, let us know. Then if you have any video idea or any content idea that you want us to create in this channel, or anything that concerns graphics, AI that you want us to create, you can drop it in the comment section. If I have many interest on the topic I'm going to share, I am going to consider it. So see you guys in my next tutorial, and I hope you enjoy this channel. Thank you.